Hello, my name is Mona. In this video, I will explain to you the automated cleaning procedure for the OMNIS cylinder units. Titrants such as potassium hydroxide and isopropanol, silver nitrate or iodine, to name just a few, can crystallize and form deposits on the glass wall. Since these deposits can destroy the piston and cause leakages, it is essential to clean the glass cylinder daily. A cylinder unit can look like this if cleaning is not performed daily. In this table, you see the most common titrants and their corresponding cleaning solutions. Metrum offers a cleaning procedure which is fully automated. I will now explain how this procedure works for your OMNIS device. The automated cleaning procedure is started after the last titration of the day is finished. First, the cylinder unit is emptied completely and then cleaning solution is aspirated. Afterwards, this cleaning solution is emptied. This procedure is repeated 6 times. Finally, the cylinder unit is filled with cleaning solution and the piston remains in the exchange position until the next titration starts. This will prevent any crystal formation within the cylinder unit. However, do not forget to run either an empty or a prepare command before you start your next titration series. Now you know why you should run the automated cleaning procedure and how it is performed. Next, I will show you which hardware components are necessary for the installation. If you are using a single burette on the OMNIS standalone device, one option is to simply disconnect your titrant from the bottle cap and attach a bottle filled with your cleaning solution. In case you want to run the cleaning procedure on an automated system or without removing the titrant bottle from your standalone device, you need the following equipment: an additional glass bottle, a bottle attachment, a thread adapter M8 outer M6 inner, an absorber tube, 2 250mm tubes for aspiration, 2 40cm FEP tubing M6 and 2 80cm FEP tubing M6. This equipment can be used to connect 2 OMNIS cylinder units to one cleaning solution bottle. In case you have more cylinder units which require the same cleaning solution, you can use the bottle cap 7 times M6 and connect the other cylinder units to the same cleaning solution bottle. Now I will show you how it is done. Insert both tubes into the bottle attachment and screw it onto the glass bottle filled with cleaning solution. Connect the 2 pieces of 40cm FEP tubing from the glass bottle to port 3 of your OMNIS cylinder units. The 2 pieces of 80cm FEP tubing on port 4 go directly to the waste. The automated cleaning procedures are available as templates, which can be downloaded from the Metrum knowledge base. So, you do not need to program them yourself. To conclude, I also want to give you some general tips which can help to prevent the cylinder unit from leaking. Never remove the piston from the glass cylinder, since this might destroy the sealing lips and could cause severe leaking. The same applies also to the glass cylinder and the bottom plate. Do not separate them. This video will help you maintain your OMNIS cylinder unit and prolong its lifetime. Thanks for watching.